Hi guys, for this video, good morning sa tanan. Char. Okay, watay masyado kurang topic, but so far, today is Sunday, manan akong kaliko. And duty na po tayo. Let's work together. Oh. Okay guys. Daw, uy. Wala, mura niya akong check ka. Wa taroy check ka. Wa tay chismis. Mga personal, kung anak ko, di mo pwede na to i-share po, no? Kay it's been my personal problem, so dili pwede. Og mao to guys, mo good morning na to sa inyo ha. I will greet you good morning. And may tag good food ang inyong morning ron. I hope that your morning will be good food. Excuse me. Sorry. So maura to. And please don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel. Bye guys. Love you all. Bye.